Hey, let's take a quick tour of Sudenga's brand new double barrel power sweep arm. This sweep arm is totally zero entry, and this sweep is meant to stay in the bin. Again, this is a power sweep, so this sweep arm is driven entirely from outside the bin with its own dedicated electric motor drive. Heavy duty 1.5-inch shaft gearboxes drive the sweep arm through a drive line underneath the bin floor. This sweep actually sets itself down through a series of springs so that it distributes the weight of the sweep arm when there's grain on top of the sweep arm. The idea is to minimize any denting or damaging of your dryer floors. The sweep auger itself is approximately 8 inches in diameter, which feeds a 6,500 bushel per hour double barrel under bin conveyor. You can see that one of the really interesting features of the Mini D sweep arm is that it's driven from the under bin or the sweep arm auger through a gearbox and PTO arrangement. The mechanical push tractor is totally driven without electric motor inside the bin, so there's no wiring at all that needs to be done inside the bin when you install a double barrel power sweep. This mechanical push tractor also sets itself down on the floor. When it's in operation, it will actually mechanically advance, stop, and back up based on the sweep load of grain in the sweep auger. The sweep tractor comes with a weight box and dual tires in this case to distribute that grain load. We're looking at the back shield here now on the Mini D sweep arm, and you can see it's quite tall, supported very well, similar to how we support our commercial heavy-duty commercial D100 and 150 sweeps. If you look closely on the back shield, you can see that we incorporate a bristle on the bottom of the back shield, which is adjustable and will allow you to adjust the clearance between the floor and the back and the bristle so that you get closer to your floor, leaving less grain behind the sweep. So that's a nice feature, as it is adjustable, and not every floor is perfectly level, so we've tried to give you some adjustment in that bristle so that it cleans as close as possible for less shoveling and requires less personnel in the bin across the process of unloading your grain bin. So in addition to being in a taller back shield and a bristle on the back shield, on the bottom of the back shield, you should leave quite a bit less grain in the bin than a standard sweep that is not equipped with those items. The Mini D sweep arm can be installed in bins, grain bins that are up to 130 foot in diameter. Again, it will go into a bin as tall as 100-foot sidewall. So it is a great choice, an excellent choice for zero entry applications where you need more durability and more robust performance from your sweep arm. So we hope you'll consider Sudenga's new double barrel power sweep for your next grain bin, grain unloading application.